How to change the daily withdrawal limits on Commonwealth Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your daily withdrawal limit on Commonwealth Bank, here's the steps that you need to keep in mind. First and foremost, make sure you have the latest version of Commonwealth Bank installed. Once that is done, launch the application and enter your credentials to access the account. Once you have logged in using your client number and password, you will land to its homepage, from where you have to tap on the cards. It is usually located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to choose your debit or ATM card from the list of cards displayed. Then tap on Go to Card Settings. Locate the Daily Card Withdrawal Limit option under the Card Security section. For security, the app might prompt you to enter your net bank password. Input the password and tap on Done. Then you can view your current daily limit and use the slider to increase or decrease the limit as desired. Once you have set the desired limit, make sure to tap on Done. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.